Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be, oh, that's my cat. That's Louis. Say hi, Louis. Today is gonna be another quick one. I'm gonna attempt to make some fridge magnets. For a bit of context, that is my magnetic shopping list, and as you can see, it's holding up a photo of me that I wanted to put on my fridge. And when I got a second photo that I wanted to put on my fridge, this is a photo of me and my boyfriend. This was the situation, and it wasn't good. Now I have a third photo that I want to put on the fridge as well, and this situation is not going to work. So there were some nice ones that I saw at Typo that I almost bought, and I was with a friend and she was like, you don't need that, because it was, I think, 100 Rand per magnet, and I really did not need to pay 300 Rand for fridge magnets. So I let that go. But today I was at Westpac Lifestyle and I saw some crafting thingies that I thought maybe I could try to make my own fridge magnets, so we'll see how that goes. And these are my supplies. So I have 3 magnets. These are all from Westpac Lifestyle. I have 3 magnets, so they say that they're ideal for fridge magnets, photos, and whatnot. So I thought, let's see how that goes. I still don't know what texture they are. Like, I don't know if they're gonna like scratch my fridge or not, but we'll have to see. Then I bought these heart stick things. So my idea was that I was gonna take off the stick so that it would just be a heart, and we'll stick that on the magnet or on the pegs. So I also bought these pegs. So the idea is that, so I took inspo from those Pinterest thingies where they hang pictures from pegs. So my idea was that I was gonna stick a peg on the back of a heart and then a magnet on the back of that peg. So we'll have the magnet on the fridge and then the peg on the back of the heart, and then from the front you'll see the heart itself. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So that's my idea. That's Louis again. Then I have some paint, craft paint. I took a random color and then I landed on pink because for some reason I always land on pink when I buy stuff. But I have other paint at home, so I didn't want to buy too much. So we'll see what we can do with the paint and the chalk on here to decorate each one differently, and then the glues and stuff. So those are my supplies, and yeah, that's the plan. Okay. It's actually quite soft and smooth. I think it'll be fine for a fridge. So the peg will fit diagonally this way, which is fine. So I don't know if I should decorate first and then stick everything together. I should have actually started decorating while it was on the stick. That would make more sense. But anyway, let's do this. No. What the fuck? The weapons formed against me shall not prosper. That's what God said. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Oh, what's that verse? I need to look up what that verse was. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Then maybe we'll do that. Let's see. Isaiah 54 verse 17. No weapon formed against you shall prosper, and every tongue that rises up against you, you shall condemn. I think these paints might be dry. I haven't used them in ages, but let's see. Is it dry? Wow, that's so... It's not necessarily dry, but it's... Will that even work? Wow, that's impressive. Now I need to do that again. That's impressive. Look at that. Look at that. Now I need to trace over it again, which sucks. That looks like an Isaiah. That looks like an Isaiah, right? Anyway, I know what it is. I'm just gonna leave it as it is before I ruin it. Here we are. That looks kind of cool. Whatever that is. That's actually quite nice. This is so arts and craftsy. Like, what am I doing? Anyway, this is the last one. This is my last option to do something good. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. That's so cute. Okay, enough painting. It's time to stick stuff together.